Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Airtable, the rising star of project management, to plan a successful crowdfunding campaign. The first step is to create a new base in Airtable. This is the foundation of your campaign planning. Think of it as your digital workspace, where you'll map out everything from tasks to deadlines. The reason we do this is to maintain a clear overview of the entire campaign process in one place. Now that we've done that, let's create tables for key areas of our campaign: tasks, timeline, budget, and stakeholders. This helps us because it segments our campaign into manageable parts, making it easier to track and update. In the tasks table, list down everything that needs to be done. For timeline, input all your important dates and deadlines. Your budget table should detail your financial plan, while the stakeholders table should list everyone involved in the campaign. The reason we do this is to give each aspect of the campaign its own dedicated space, increasing both clarity and efficiency. Now here's a pro tip. Make use of Airtable's View feature. You can switch between grid, calendar, Kanban, and gallery views according to your preference or needs. This flexibility allows you to visualize your data in different layouts. For instance, use the calendar view for your timeline table to see your deadlines in a calendar format. Next up, connect your tables using linked records. This feature allows you to link related content across different tables. For example, link tasks to specific dates in your timeline or assign tasks to stakeholders. This helps us because it creates a network of information that's easy to navigate and update. Let me explain why this matters. By linking records, you ensure that a change in one table reflects across all linked tables. This keeps your campaign plan interconnected and up to date. Lastly, don't forget to make use of Airtable's collaboration features. Share your base with your team members, assign tasks, and collaborate in real time. This ensures everyone is on the same page and contributes to the overall efficiency of your campaign planning. And there you have it. That's how you can leverage Airtable to effectively plan and manage your crowdfunding campaign. Remember, the key to a successful campaign is a well-organized plan, and with these easy steps, you're well on your way. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.